it's Shauna from the Shauna Method, and I am sharing some common organizing mistakes. And this one is one that can get you into trouble, even if you've had a successful organizing session. And that is failing to move donations out of your house and to their final destination. A lot of times I'll work with a client, we'll put together some bags or bins of items to go to charities, and they'll say, I've got it, I'm gonna be over dropping off at XYZ. And then I come back the next time and they're still there. Or sometimes they'll have donations lined up to go in a couple of days, and in the interim, family members walk by the bags and say, why are you getting rid of that? Or a child says, I think I want that toy after all. Or even we ourselves second guess our decisions and say, you know what, I don't want to give that up. So it's important to move the donations out once you've made the decision. Don't make yourself go through deciding over and over and over again because you see it in the way, in the hallway or wherever, and you second guess yourself. That's no fun. Also, that creates more clutter, right? If you have too many bins or bags in your house waiting to be dropped off, that can create more clutter. So either take the donations, schedule a pickup, but make an effort after an organizing session to have a concrete plan for getting these donations out of your space and to the charity. That way, you'll free up space for your next project.